How to pay CRA taxes using TD Bank online banking. So first things first, TD Bank actually stands for Toronto Dominion Bank. So you can actually get instant access to all your TD Bank accounts in just a few clicks. And it also allows you to review and manage your accounts and finances in real time, anytime. So if you're looking forward and wanting to pay CRA taxes using this online banking right here, which is TD Bank, all I have to do is just to log into your account. So what you want to do is just to head straight into pay bills and then just simply input the payee account number that you have on your CRA. Once done, then just simply go into the specific amount that you will be paying for CRA taxes. And right there, once everything is filled out and completed, you will be receiving a receipt on the email address associated with your TD Bank account online. And that's basically it. That's how you pay CRA taxes using TD banking online.